General outlook for the next couple of weeks, specifically as it pertains, of course, to agriculture. It does look like while there will be some hot days, the overall pattern looking for the northern plains not quite as hot. Of course, it's like having bats in your house. It's not that the heat's going away. We're just giving it somebody else. I'll show you where the hot weather will wind up. There will be another couple of rounds of scattered storms into the upper Midwest northern plains. Location, though. We're not all going to get tons of rain, but there will be a chance. And another change for the weather as we get into August this year. After a very quiet July, the tropical weather patterns are starting to get very active. It is likely that parts of the United States will be dealing with one or more, perhaps several tropical weather systems over the course of the next couple of weeks. As far as the jet stream goes, it's pretty far north right now, ridging. It's hot weather this weekend up into the northern plains once again. Sunday especially, we'll have some hot weather. That's going to linger into the early part of the week, but look at what's happening. This high amplitude jet stream pattern is expected to bring a slow-moving weather system into the northern Rockies. That's going to cool down these areas quite a bit, spread the hot weather up into the northern plains. This will be hot, muggy, and breezy, and as this trough slowly shifts east, there will be a chance of storms. Potential is there for some good rains. These patterns, though, that go strong north to south flow like this, over the years, I've seen them become disappointing, but I think there is still an opportunity for at least some strong showers and decent thunderstorms, and so there will be an opportunity to see some rainfall up into the northern plains where it has been especially dry. Don't expect tons and tons of rain, but there'll be that rain chance. As the week goes along, the heat will recede. We'll get some milder weather back into the northern plains. The eastern part of the U.S. will get a toast of hot weather, and the west, the heat will be confined mostly to the Mojave Desert and the central valleys of California. The Pacific Northwest is not going to be so terribly hot, though there will be some warm days out there. As we get into the weekend and the following week, next week, we'll be watching for this low pressure trough, what it's going to do. My thinking is it's probably going to anchor itself in the western part of Canada, which will likely produce a broad area of warm to hot weather across the northern Great Plains, upper Midwest, a lot of 80s and 90s, just mostly above average, not so unseasonably hot, not incredibly hot, but still warmer than average. Now, as far as rainfall goes, as we look at this week, well, there will be a pretty decent chance around midweek, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, for the northern plains, southern Canada area to finally get a shot of rain. Tropical rains possible in the southeast, west coast looks mostly dry. The southern monsoon will keep Mexico and the southwestern deserts fairly wet. Second week, there's the monsoon producing storms into the Midwest. The east coast looks wet. The west mostly on the dry side.